Diplomo 8-hole 5-inch hand sander, round. You can have boards like so and sand it down, take the rough edges out, and get ready for painting and more, staining and so forth. It's 45 pieces. As we open up, we show you what you get inside the box and how nicely they are packaged individually. 45 pieces of sandpaper in different grits. You have a square type sander. It is rubber foam tight. It has the Velcro on the sides, the bottom, and easily to take a P40 marked on the unit, place on the table, and place one on the best you can, press down, and fold the edges as they bend to contour to the palm sander. So you can sand on the side and flat. On the round sander, it's the same type of foam, soft, ergonomic grip, nicely to sand in circles and more. And you have P400, P600, P240, P150, 80, 120, 60, and so forth. So we're going to grab just a sander, P600, place it on the table. It is L2509 order number. Line up the best you can, and you're ready for sanding. The 600s are very thin, so please be careful when you grab. You may grab an extra by mistake. And they do grab, and when you're ready to change out, simply grab and pull and put a new one on. Well, we got our board with all these holes, and we could take the sandpaper. We got some rough edges, and we could simply hold and sand away. If we want to take the round one to finalize it, we could do so. And you can see the discoloration of the wood getting back to the oxidized color. As we sand away, you can see how it's smoothing out and taking all the grain and the softness into. As we're sanding, you can see the coloration coming back of the wood and the smoothness. In our demonstration purposes, if we're taking away some of the spots that are too high and the dirt, we could take a fine grit and we could sand away and clean up the area and re-polyurethane, or take the polyurethane that's over here and sand away by holding nice and firmly like so. If we want to take paint off of a dolly, as you can see how the dolly and taking off the paint, and we could smooth on out. Great for the workshop, automobile use if you want to do wet sanding on the car, to carpentry, building shells, finishing tables and wood tables like so. These may be something that you're looking for. Replaceable sandpaper and a nice ergonomic rubber type foam grip. You get a square one and you get a round one for your needs. I hope you enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for.